This is a critical reasoning question. In this question, the argument is that in Philippines, workers who work both for flat rate and piece rate eat 25% more food on the previous day if they have to work on piece rate the next day. Now we have to identify which of the given options will justify this argument. Option A, the flat rates are lesser than the piece rate. This does not justify why the workers would eat more food. So this is incorrect. Option B, the flat rates are higher than the piece rate. This again does not justify why the workers would eat more food on the previous day when they have to work for piece rate on the next day. Option C, there is an inverse relation between the amount of food one eats on the previous day and the amount of work that one can do on the next day. If I eat more on a certain day and there is an inverse relationship between the amount of food and the amount of work, and if I eat more on one day, then I'd be able to work less on the next day. So if I work less on the piece rate, I would probably be earning lesser money. So this does not justify, in fact it weakens the statement. So option C is also incorrect. Option D, there is a direct relation between the amount of food one eats on the previous day and the amount of work that one can do on the next day. This perfectly justifies this statement. If I'm going to eat a particular amount of food, if I'm going to eat more food, I'll be able to work more on the next day. So when I work more on the next day at a piece rate, I will be able to earn more. So option D is the correct answer to this question.